Your first task in spelling today is, as you can see, I have a word here, but some of the letters are missing. The word starts with the letter D and it ends with the letter N. It's an 11-letter word. Can you think about, I'm going to challenge you, get your minds thinking this morning, what is the word? Okay, I want you to come up, think of all the possibilities it could be. I'll give you a clue. It has been one of our words of the week. That's a really good clue there. But also, if you want to extend your learning, can you think of any more words that maybe have 11 letters, or any more words that start with the letter D and end with the letter N? What can you think of? That's your first task. Then, today, we are going to be exploring a new spelling rule. Okay, and our spelling rule, the spellings we're looking at, types of words, are verbs. Okay, so let's just recap, refresh our memories. Verbs are action words, they're doing words. If Simon says it, okay, and usually you can do it, that's a verb. Okay, so today's rule we're going to look at is to add a suffix, ed or ing, to verbs with a short vowel sound and double the consonant. So let's just unpick and tune in to today's spelling rule, okay, so that we really understand it. Now here it says to add a suffix. Now a suffix normally goes at the end of a root word or a base word. Now a base word makes sense by itself, okay? So, but a suffix attaches itself to the end of the base word, okay? And the suffixes we're going to look at today are ed and ing. Now these suffixes usually change the tense of the base word. So ed can make the base word, we usually use an ed suffix to turn that base word into the past tense, or we usually use the ing suffix to turn that base word into the present tense, okay? And we're going to be changing verbs, the tense of verbs that have a short vowel sound, okay? And let's just recap. Vowels, we used this the other day. There are 5 vowel sounds, okay? A, E, I, O, U, okay? The rest of the letters in the alphabet are consonants, okay? So we're going to be looking at words that have a short vowel sound, okay, in them. For example, I'm going to write a verb here, and the verb I'm going to write is hop, okay? Now, because the word hop has a short vowel sound, O is a vowel, okay? And then it has a consonant. It's followed by a consonant. So when you have a word like this that has a short vowel sound and it's followed by one vowel and then a consonant, okay, we need to double the consonant before we add a suffix, okay? So and it's really important in this word hop, okay, so when I change it to the past tense, I want to add ed, that I double the consonant because I know it's got a short vowel sound here. It's an O and then it's followed by one consonant. I would put another consonant and then I would add my suffix ed. So hop becomes hopped, okay? Or if I want to change that hop word into hopping, okay, because it's got the O, which is a vowel, and then followed by a P, I double the P and I add the suffix ing to make it hopping. It's really important that you do that, because in this word hop, if you just add ed, then that word becomes hoped, okay, and that's a totally different word. So it's really important that we follow the rule of doubling the consonant. Okay, here you have a list of verbs, okay? What you need to do to these root words, skip, step, plan, wrap, trip, and shop, okay? You're going to write them down in your books, and you can add the suffix ed and add the suffix ing. These words all have a short vowel sound followed by a consonant. If you look at the end, I is a vowel and P is a consonant. So that means that we double up the consonant before we add a suffix. Okay, so add the suffixes to change the tense. Your next challenge is to see if you can write those verbs into a sentence. Okay, and then to extend that, you could see if you can find any of your own words that follow the rule of doubling the consonant and adding a suffix ed or ing. There are some exceptions to this spelling rule. For example, I'm going to take this word here at the bottom that I have here, swim. Okay, if I was to add a suffix to that word, because it has a short vowel sound I followed by an N, I could change swim into the present tense. Abdullah is swimming, okay, and I would double up that consonant. But could I change it into the past tense and say Abdullah swimmed yesterday? Okay, would that make sense? No, it wouldn't. Okay, so not every single verb that has a short vowel sound and a consonant follows that rule. So just don't be tricked. Look at the word and see what you think looks correct. If you want to extend yourself even further, then you can do our spelling investigation. Choose a word, maybe you're not too sure of what it means, and investigate that word by finding a definition. You could either find a synonym, which means another word for, and today I've even put in an antonym, which is something the opposite. Okay, so something like, for example, the opposite of big is small. Okay, or you could put the word into a sentence. You could draw a picture of that word. Okay, good luck, have fun, enjoy.